Hi, hello, and welcome back to my YouTube channel SKT Badminton World. We mostly concentrate on elegant strokes, orthodox technique, and stylish stroke play. But what if we don't reach to the shuttle early or getting behind the shuttle on time? Today we are going to see this in detail. Before going into the drill, if you like my videos, subscribe, share, and hit the like button. And if you feel like appreciating, don't hesitate. Thanks for watching. Multiple choices of strokes is only possible when we get to the shuttle early or when we get behind the shuttle on time. Otherwise, unbalanced body can react to only one stroke, that is clear on the rear court, and if it is in the front court, it is a lift. So footwork speed is the most important part of badminton. Today's drill is specially designed for intermediate to advanced level players to improve their hand and eye coordination, footwork speed and concentration, and to develop lower body strength and cardiovascular endurance. As single players, the most important thing we need is endurance. This drill is specially designed for intermediate to advanced level players. So player 1 will start from the center court and he will go to the rear court of the forehand side and throw the shuttle to the player 2. Player 2 will be standing in the backhand front court close to the short service line. And important thing is for the intermediates, it is when the player 1 throws the shuttle, before the shuttle reaches to the player 2, he has to come and grab the shuttle. So that is very important. So we can make this drill more easier or even tougher with the trajectory of the shuttle or the height. We can increase the height to make it easy, we can decrease the height to make it tougher. So depending upon the player's initial stages, we can make it easier by increasing the height, and as they are comfortable with the movements, we can decrease the height as well as the trajectory of the shuttle to the player 2. Okay, so let's see. Start. पीछे जा. Okay, stop. Come to the center. So as you can see, this is going from the forehand rear court to the cross backhand front court. So now they will be doing the next other side, which is starting from the center to the around the head backhand side to the forehand corner. Okay, start from that side. Start. Okay, as you have seen, this we have done from the center to the around the head back corner to the forehand side or in the front corner. So this is the first drill. This we can modify it in a many different ways. This is the example for the starters. Then we can go for the advanced in the next drill. Okay. This is for the advanced players. For advanced players, there is no player 2. So player 1 has to individually get behind, go to the rear court, throw the shuttle, and before the shuttle reaches to the service line area, you have to reach to the shuttle and grab the shuttle. And continuously you have to keep moving without stopping or getting imbalanced body. So let's see. Yes. So continuously. Yes. Good. Yes, stop. So as you have seen, this is for the advanced players to improve their hand and eye coordination and footwork speed. And this equally develops the lower body strength. And when you do continuously, it improves your endurance as well. So we'll be seeing the other side also, to the around the head, from the backhand side to the forehand side. This drill is very good for the advanced level players to improve their cardiovascular endurance and as well as the footwork speed. We don't need any partners, we can do individually. In further videos, we'll see the advanced levels, more patterns. So if you like the videos, please share, and thanks for watching.